morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday. Wonderful, whimsical, or wacky? You decide. I'm good with all three. Last night, Mediterranean inspired. So last night I prepared Mediterranean baked fish. I really think, because I'm no expert in fish, but I believe what my butcher gave me wasn't trout, it was salmon. Matter of fact, I'm pretty sure. But this recipe, this Mediterranean baked fish, can work with pretty much most fish. I'm no expert. Of course, you know my saying, recipes are just guidelines. I replaced the red pepper flakes with my new find, Deji Mirch, which is a type of paprika from India. It's got just a little bit of heat. Oh, it's very good. This is a very good recipe. I will definitely get it, posted up. Play with it. Have fun with it. I also did my rice pilaf, but I added peas to it, frozen peas. I always do that. And I also did honey glazed carrots. Super simple, a great veggie side. All three recipes I will get posted up. Tonight is going to be my homemade spaghetti sauce, and with a few twists. That's one thing I love about things like a red sauce, in this case. You can play with it, have fun with it, and so forth. So let's get to it. Got the hardware out. Medium saucepan for the sauce. A Dutch oven, which I'll do my linguine in. So for my sauce for tonight, a little bit of olive oil. I'll be chopping down this is actually pre-cooked turkey. I'm going turkey instead of, because it's what I had available. And I'll admit, I'm budget conscious. Some crushed tomatoes, petite diced tomatoes. I will dice up this half of this yellow onion. Garlic, of course, you gotta have garlic in a good red sauce. Some tomato paste. I'll be using my Italian herb blend. Probably add extra basil and oregano. A little bit of sugar just in case. Some kosher salt, black pepper, and I'll be serving that over at Linguine. So these are the goodies for tonight's simple meal. So here in Southern County, California, we're supposed to get some rain. Not a lot, just a little. Don't forget about my website. It's not really new anymore. Casualchef.us. My cookbooks are available there. All my urban spice blends are available there, and my services and recipes. There's not a lot, but if you're looking for a recipe, just let me know. All right, on this Triple W Wednesday, there we go. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.